I've been wearing Iugga leggings almost exclusively for quite a while now. And Iugga reached out and asked me to put together another video featuring several of their newest styles. Now, at age 70, I realized that most of the marketing for activewear is aimed at women half our age. But that doesn't mean that these leggings aren't for us. One thing I've learned is that if workout clothes aren't comfortable, you simply won't wear them. Am I right? Comfort matters just as much as performance. I spend a lot of my life strength training, and I need workout clothes that move with me, not against me. I can't wait to show you how these leggings actually perform during real workouts and why they become my go-to leggings. Let's start with the featured leggings for this month's campaign, the Power Tight Sandwich No Front Seam Capris. One of the first things I notice is the waistband. It gives you support through your midsection without digging in, creating a smooth silhouette that's flattering and comfortable. The fabric has just the right amount of compression to help everything feel supported, but never feels restrictive. It stretches with you during a squat, deadlift, or any other movement, and it springs right back into shape afterwards. After summer workouts, I really like the capri length because it keeps you a little cooler while still giving you all the support you want for strength training. If comfort is your top priority, these Butter Lab leggings are probably my favorite of the four. I also appreciate the no front seam design and the subtle hidden scrunch in the back that gives a little shaping without looking overly designed. These soft leggings are flexible enough for every movement I do in the gym, even my stretch routine on the floor. No matter whether I'm bending, stretching, or lifting weights, they stay comfortable from start to finish. I usually gravitate toward darker colors, but this pink power has been a fun change. Workout clothes don't have to be boring. These have the same support, power tight feel with plenty of stretch and a smooth, flattering fit. They're comfortable enough to wear while goofing off before or after my workout. But they still perform beautifully once it's time to train. I love finding activewear that's practical without sacrificing a little personality. This forest green pair may be my favorite color of the bunch. They're incredibly versatile because they transition so easily from the gym to the rest of your day. The fit stays supportive, the fabric moves naturally, and they never feel like they're working against me. At this stage of my life, that's exactly what I want from workout clothes. One of the cool features of the Butter Lab No Front Seam buttery-soft scrunch butt leggings is the way they lightly define the glutes smoothly without looking overly tight or forced. Not only is the waistband wide enough so that it doesn't roll when you bend, it is comfortable. Okay, we've seen these amazing leggings in the gym, but how practical and comfortable are they outside the gym? Can I go shopping? Can I do my day-to-day errands, my morning walks? I'm ready to go outside and see for myself. Why don't you come along with me? No matter what my busy day includes, errands, running around town, or just out for a relaxing walk, I can speed up or slow down with ease, comfort, and style, no matter what I have going on. It's a hot, muggy summer day, but I get so many compliments on my leggings, and at age 70, that's pretty unexpected. But the way these look, I get it. I can go through my whole day, start to finish, confident and comfortable. No more tough decisions on what to wear so that I can move well. You know what I've noticed over the years? I have leggings that have worked their way to the bottom of the stack and they stay there. You know why? They aren't comfortable. You simply won't wear them. And if you don't wear them, you're probably not going to stick to your workouts either. Iugga leggings have honestly become my go-to workout leggings because they're comfortable, supportive, and they move with everything I do in an exercise. If you'd like to check them out for yourself, I've put my discount code AGING25 and the link in the description below so you can save 25% on your order. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do.